In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transition in Clipchamp. So, first of all, what you want to do is you want to have two separate clips like this. So they need to have a gap in between them. Now, you want them to be next to each other here. Now, you'll be in a bit that looks like this probably. You want to go down here to transitions, and here are all the different transitions you can pick. Now, the ones with the diamond on, you have to pay for. These ones here are free. So I'm going to pick this heart transition. You want to click on it, drag it, and you see there's a little plus icon between the two things. You want to put it there, add transition. Now, when I click on this and play it, you can see the transition has worked. Now I can click on this transition here, and on the right here there are a ton of different settings I can use for it. So if I want to increase the duration, you can see it gets bigger or smaller. So this is how quick and how slow, how fast you want it. So if I want it longer, I can do that, and you can see it takes a lot longer. But if I want it shorter, I can make it shorter. And then from here you can just click and change the different transitions that you want to use. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.